Originally po talaga I'm part of the show, but
Ikaw talaga yung unang kong
Oo nga,
tinawagan.
kaya lang meron kasi akong Idol Philippines, Idol Kids
Yes, Idol Kids.
Pero
Congratulations,
kahapon,
Ate.
thank you. Pero kahapon, nalaman ko na maaga pala ako dito. Sabi ko, Mari, pupunta ako. But thank you, you know how proud I am of you and welcome back. Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago, pareho ka pa rin. Pareho pa din ang boses, pareho pa rin ang face, pareho ang hair.
Pumuputi na nga rin.
Black friend anymore!
No, I don't be a black friend forever, child. I'm only a black friend. It's gonna always be coffee and cream. You know?
Thank you, Iay. You are always wonderful. I've always been amazed with your beautiful voice and alam niyo, nung una ko nakita si Jaya, sabi ko, sino to?
Sino yung majitin doon?
Ang galing ang gara. Para kan si Anita Baker na pinaghalong Beyonce. Sabi! Hindi, pero siya lang po kasi yung friend ko na yung parang mababa yung voice niya, pero kumakanta ng Through the Fire. Yun.
Nakala ko sabihin mo, siya lang yung friend ko na maitin. At kulot.
Hindi.
I love
Ang
you.
galing mo, ang galing-galing mo pa rin. Ikaw pa rin talaga, nag-iisa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta ninyo. Congratulations again. I love you. And thank you for having me. Kahit last minute.
Mare, ikaw na yata yung pinaka-generous na icon that would always go when somebody calls you up and says, pwede ka pang mag-guest. Siya na yung gano'n. Tapos, napakapalad ko kasi bukod sa inidulo ko siya noon, naging kaibigan ko siya, pinagluluto niya pa ako. I mean, she would go above and beyond for me, and I will always fight for you, I will always defend you, and I will always be here as your friend. And I know, dream lang ng iba na mahawakan ka nga. Pero ako, you go beyond, and God has gifted me with a friend like you, and this is my biggest blessing. One of my biggest blessings, Mare. Thank you.
Forever na to. Thank you
Forever.
so much. Thank you, friend.
Pa-flowers.
May pa-flowers. Thank you so much and congratulations.